Bharatanatyam. It is a very old form of Indian classical dance. It traces its roots almost 2,000 years back. And the three items that my students will be presenting, I have kind of tried to center over the theme of Diwali. As Chaplain said, any Hindu ceremony, festival, we always begin with a prayer to Lord Ganesha. He is the one who removes all obstacles. So these girls will be starting with a Stuti or a Ganapati bhajan, where the composer Sant Tulsidas says, "Sing the praises of Lord Ganesha. He is the one who is worshipped by everyone in the world. He is full of siddhi, knowledge and enlightenment. He is very good looking, and he grants his devotees everything that they desire. He is also the one who removes all the obstacles that are in the path of his devotees." Finally, the poet says, "I, Tulsidas, beg of you, Lord Ganesha, to make it possible for Lord Rama to forever reside in my heart," because he was a big devotee of Lord Rama. Gaiye Ganapati, performed by Megha, Brinda, and Shakti.
गंगे